Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Rising with RK Path of Mastery. Today we will discuss one important point or concept of JavaScript, closure. Closure is the most important and favorite topic of any interviewer. So what is a closure? I will explain the what is a closure and give with the one example. So let's go with the. So what is the closure? A closure is a JavaScript powerful concept that allows a function to access variable from its outer scope. Even after that outer scope has written, the occurs because function in JavaScript form a closure over this lexical environment, meaning they remember the environment in which they were created. So the use of the closure is data encapsulation. Closure allows you to hide variable or function from the outside world, offering a way to create a private data. This is useful for creating a module like structure where certain variable or methods are accessible only within the function scope. So let's start with the example. Okay, so I'm just writing an example. I'm using a I'm creating a one function counter. I'm declaring one variable count. Okay, count is equal to 5. Okay, and I am creating another function inside the counter function. So I am just creating another function in the counter function. So you can see here I am just returning the value of count variable. Okay, so I'm just going to console it so you can clearly see the closure functions output. Okay, so I am just calling the closure function. Okay, so I'm just calling counter function. You can see the scope of counter function is finished here, but still we are able to call the inner function or that counter variable. So you can see here I am just creating INC and I am just calling that the function. Okay, you can see here the scope of function is already executed here, but still we are able to access the count variable. After that the function is already executed. Okay, I'm just adding another console to understand the concept better way. So I'm just recap the concept. The closure is the concept where function allows to access variable from its outer scope, even that outer function has a return. So you can clearly see here guys. Thank you.